Welcome to the Argos toy unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at the stylish Barbie Glam boat. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's quite a big boat, so Barbie can take a few of her friends out for trips. We'll take it out of this box so now you can see it properly. Let's look at the design of the Glam boat. It's painted with Barbie's signature colours, like this dark pink around here, and the light pink on the seats and engine cover. It's decorated with blue waves on the side, and it even has her name printed on the front of the boat, so everyone knows who it belongs to. The streamlined structure means that once you put it in the water, it floats, so your Barbie can have fun in the sun, when she's driving around with you, in the pool, or even in the bath. By lifting up the front engine cover, it provides Barbie with 2 extra seats, so she can take extra luggage or even more friends. You need to dress to impress when you're out sailing, so Barbie is ready to take the wheel in her stylish pink and white polka dot bikini, accessorised by a sophisticated pair of earrings. She has long blonde hair which will blow in the wind when she's going fast, and sunglasses to protect her eyes from the sun. She also comes with her very own yellow life jacket to keep her safe when she's out on the open sea. We hope you've enjoyed the Argos Barbie Glam boat unboxing. Let us know what you think and if you'll be sailing with her this summer.